Sub-Zero 501 set refrigerator. Bottom panels are included. They're not in the picture, but they're taken off for visual inspection. These units working fine. I can turn these to stainless steel models, which is actually, if you call Sub-Zero, they say it's impossible. But I do custom stainless steel work, and I can turn these to stainless steel models. And I will include the picture of how they look like after I'm done custom work. The fact they are not ready, as soon as I make one set ready, people usually don't leave it on the showroom. They immediately they purchase that. If you're interested, I will take a payment and turn these to stainless steel models. They're very solid refrigerator. They're made to last somewhere around 30 to 40 years if you maintenance them. I can send you more detailed video if you need it. This refrigerator comes with 6 months parts and labor, covered in Phoenix, Arizona, and 2 months nationwide.